Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into how to pin message on WhatsApp groups. It's really handy to be able to pin a message in a WhatsApp group because then everyone can easily find it. To do this, you can either pin an existing message or send a new one and then pin it. To pin a message, just long press on the message you want to pin. It can be your own or someone else's. You'll see different options at the top. Tap on three dots at the top right, and you'll see the pin option. Click on Pin, and you can choose how long you want the message to stay pinned. Options are 24 hours, 7 days, or 30 days. Once you've selected the duration, it's pinned. You'll see it at the top of the chat. Remember, you can only have one message pinned at a time. If you pin another message, it will replace the current one. It's that simple. Just decide how long you want it to stay pinned and you're good to go. If you guys found this helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Thanks.